This is sunflower Yamato. In 1994, she was in her regular route to Hokkaido. Then she went missing near the coast off Akita. She was never seen again until 2001 when this photo came to the web. This was the photo. Then this was sent to the government. They suspected it to be the missing boat from 1994. After that, they sent divers to Akita because they asked the diver where they found this. This is the video of what they saw. And finally, they found the sunflower Yamato. No one knows the exact reason what actually happened on that boat or why it sank. They suspect it was a giant wave. To this date, it still exists as a reminder of nature's wrath. But on one of them, they removed the Yamato because it still had oil inside. This is the photo. As you can see, it is so musty, dusty, crusty, and very rusty. They are planning to find bodies while doing this. I will make a part 2. See y'all when I decide to upload it, lol. Hey, what are you doing here? Leave.